Let me ask you this, viewer. If you saw this advertisement without knowing who the company making the ad is, would you know what this product or service it's selling? Yes, this is meant to be a car advert. So this is where marketing is nowadays? I understand there can be a surprise reveal of the product, but here we have no reveal. I suppose that is a surprise in a way. I certainly wouldn't have predicted that. To provide some context, these are a few Jaguar adverts from the past. This one 10 years ago.
We're more focused, more precise.
We're always one step ahead.
Here's another from 5 years ago. This advert just 1 year prior. You can view these ads yourself and see how there is no indication of, well, much of anything until the very end. Now you'll have loads of content calling this advert as more woke garbage. This whole shifting in culture gets so heavy-handed and blown too far out of proportions with the woke and anti-woke crowds. These two sides have become extremely loud, churning out product after product that there seems like there's no more middle ground. Don't get me wrong, there is a definite pretentiousness to this advert. This is atrocious marketing on levels so bad I really hope Hasbro isn't taking notes on how to do similar. At least they advertised the product instead of running a bizarre fashion show. If their goal was to generate controversy, then they've accomplished that goal with the flying colors like in the advertisement. Bad publicity may help get exposure in the short term, but can also be a detriment and harm your brand in the long term. Something companies forget nowadays. If there is no long-term goal at the end, what are you even doing? Who is this for? Even if you have people turn attention towards it, it's most likely to mock and treat like a joke. This advertisement is apparently being seen as the Bud Light commercial of the auto industry. Not exactly something you want to be compared to. Personally, I would compare it to the beast machines of car ads, tearing apart what came before to create something new. Except Beast Machines actually has good points. It's more like the Last Jedi of car commercials. Subverted expectations by not showing cars in a car advert. Jaguar has lost its luster. Here is the logo for it before. A strong animal that empowers ferocity. And here's the new logo they seem to be going with. Something that looks more of a fashion brand. Time will tell on how things will go from here for the company. This whole situation can be summed up as,
This is bad comedy.